What is up, everyone? This is Charles, and today I'm going to show you how to fix battlenet stuck on installing and updating. So let's get right into it. So if you're trying to either install or update the battlenet launcher and it's not working, there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing you want to do is go to local disk C. In here, go to program files 86 and find the battle.net folder, right click into it, and then just delete it directly from here. So this is step one that you want to do before retrying to install it again. The next thing you want to do is go to your search bar, type in run. And in here, we're going to basically go into, I believe the command is this one, the temp folder. So %, temp, %, open this up. In here, you want to go into the local folder. So you want to just go back one and find battle.net folder here as well and delete it from here as well. Once you do this, restart your computer, retry the updater or launcher, either or, to basically get it up and running. And once you do that, you should be good to go and you should not have this issue of it being stuck any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like this video, please thumbs up, guys, channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and the tutorials out. Peace.